Hello everyone, let's solve this question. X to the power 5 by 2 minus 5 equal to root x. How can we solve here? We need to put a square on both sides. So I am putting a square on both sides. So I'll be having 5 by 2, x to the power 5 by 2 minus 5 power here 2 and then root x power 2. This will be split in terms, x to the power 5 by 2 power here 2, then minus 10, 5 to the 10, and then x power 5 by 2 is equal to x. Now x to the power 5 by 2 and 2 will multiply, so we have 5 minus 10 x to the power 5 by 2 and we have here x. Now what I can do, I can take common x to the power 5, okay, minus 10 x to the power 5 minus x equal to 0. I can take common, so I'll be having here x to the power here x to the power 4 minus 10, and then here we have x to the power, if I'm taking one common here, 3 by 2, here 3 by 2 minus 1 equal to 0. So either this will be equal to 0 or we have this one is equal to 0. So we have x, 3 by 2 minus 1 equal to 0. So here we have x to the power 4, power 4 minus 10 x to the power 3 by 2, that should be equal to 1. That should be equal to 1. So please let me know if you know the answer for this. What I can do here, whether we'll check it whether it is what quadratic equation or not. If it is not there, we can put the trial value. This should be equal to 1. This both should be equal to 1, so I can have this value for real value. This equation will be true. So if x to the power 4 minus 10 x to the power 3 by 2, this should be equal to 1. How we can do here, I can take common x, so I'll be having x to the power 3 and then 10. Here I'm taking x common, so we will have 1 by 2 here, and then okay is equal to 1, then equal to 1. So these two will be 1 when these will be reciprocal to each other. If this will be reciprocal to each other, or we need to have this value. So how we can solve here? This is what, this is a cubic equation. Here x